Enshash nanaktushin kukushin lo ulfkan statlium kan uchamilch. Shamachquachich Tanina Williams. As we've talked about, this serious topic about Orange Shirt Day, that every child matters, and, what that means in our country when we learn about residential school and residential school survivors, and then also the many children that died at residential school. How do we feel about that? I know I feel sad about it because it directly affects me. But in many ways, it directly affects every person in this country. And it's a tough message to carry. It's very sad. And it's important that we take a moment of silence. So I'd like everybody right now to take a moment of silence with me, and we'll just think of, what that means. So we'll take our moment of silence together. So it might be easier if you just close your eyes and be silent. Or maybe you need to keep them open. It's up to you. But this is a time when we think about this serious message and what happened to many, many children over a very long time. Thank you so much for taking this moment of silence with me. Now I want to talk about how can we give back, because in order to move forward, we need to be able to give back. We need to take some action so that we don't carry it without doing something about it. So there's simple ways to be able to move forward, and then there's bigger ways. But every way, even if it's tiny, it's significant. So one of the ways that sometimes I don't have the time to do something more, bigger or impactful. One of the ways is I just think about the most happiest memory I have. And my happy memory was when I was at this lake called Little Peters in the middle of the mountains. And it was a beautiful sunny day, and I was sitting in this really swift creek enjoying my muscles were really enjoying it. It was a long hike to get there and enjoy, the sunshine and the company I was with, and my heart was so filled with happiness. I think of that moment and I give that memory back to myself, the feelings, right? And then I also send it out to the people that are hurting. So that's easy. So think of that really good memory. Another thing is to learn about the people, the Indigenous, Inuit, or Métis people that live in your area or that are from that area, and learn about their language, their culture, which includes music and food and art and things like that. So I'm going to sing one of my favorite songs that I think is just happy and uplifting, and it's the frog song. And this is where we get to be frogs and hop. How do I start that song again? I can't even think about it now. I'll sing the song that's coming to my mind. I'll sing the Eagle song. Hey, hey, yo, 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 eh, yo, 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 yo. So that's the Eagle song. So you got to hear the Eagle song, participate in it, and appreciate it. It's just a simple act, right? But it's a big one. And there's other things like learning how to count to 10. I have a video that teaches how to count to 10 in Uchamuch. I have stories that are Little Wet Stories on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is called Tanina Rose Williams Amma Wilk. So you can go to that and watch those. But there's also many things, like there's authors of books that you could read. There's TV shows. There's APTN, the TV channel with Indigenous, films on there. There's all kinds of things that you can do to learn and grow in your knowledge about Indigenous, Native, Inuit, Métis people. Thank you so much. Bye.